20 elite quotes for the iron mindset. On discipline. Discipline is doing what needs to be done even if you don't feel like doing it. On resilience. Iron is forged in fire. A man is forged in adversity. On focus. Starve your distractions. Feed your focus. On self-mastery. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. On pain. Pain is temporary. Regret is forever. On growth. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Embrace the struggle. On Stoicism. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. On consistency. Greatness is not a peak, it is a daily habit. On silence. Work in silence, let your results scream for you. On fear. Fear is a reaction, courage is a decision. On limits. The only limits that exist are the ones you acknowledge. On character. Be the man who can be relied upon when everything falls apart. On habits. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. On loneliness. The path to the top is lonely for a reason. Not everyone is built for the climb. On excuses. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. On sovereignty. Stop being a spectator of your own life. Take the lead. On hardship. Don't pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. On legacy. Build something that outlasts you. Start with your character. On obsession. Be so good they can ignore you. On the protocol. If you want what the 1% has, you must do what the 99% won't.